for entry-level IT positions, particularly in help desk roles, serves as a foundational step in one's career journey. Such positions not only cultivate essential skills but also provide invaluable real-world experience within the technology sector. Additionally, networking stands as a pivotal element in the job search process within the IT landscape. Establishing connections with mentors and industry professionals can lead to significant opportunities and offer critical insights into the field. Furthermore, the significance of IT certifications cannot be overstated, with the CompTIA A+ standing out as a key credential. This certification considerably enhances job prospects and serves as a validation of one's technical knowledge to potential employers. Moreover, learning resources for programming languages such as Linux and Python deserve attention. Numerous free courses available on platforms like YouTube facilitate the development of essential coding and system administration skills critical for aspiring IT professionals. In addition, the importance of constructing a home lab is underscored. This practical approach enables learners to apply theoretical knowledge, thereby enhancing comprehension and developing skills that are vital for future job applications. Transitioning into the next phase, the focus shifts toward acquiring the Security Plus certification, which is essential for career progression within IT roles. This credential enjoys widespread recognition and significantly bolsters one's employability in the industry. In the context of home labs, these environments offer an opportunity to apply Linux and Python skills through hands-on projects. Such practical experiences are invaluable, significantly enriching job applications and professional profiles. Networking remains crucial for advancing one's career in technology. Building connections and cultivating relationships can lead to promising job opportunities and facilitate professional growth. Certifications such as Cisco CCNA and CompTIA Network Plus not only enhance a resume but also effectively demonstrate networking knowledge. Each certification possesses unique advantages, tailored to align with specific career objectives. Additionally, Jeremy Chara emerges as a notable educator, having inspired the speaker's enthusiasm for networking. His CCNA course serves as an invaluable resource for those aspiring to establish themselves as network professionals. Moreover, the integration of Python and Linux into networking studies is critical. In modern IT roles, automation through Python is increasingly essential, reflecting the evolving demands of the industry. A practical challenge is posed to replace conventional home networking equipment with advanced solutions such as pfSense. Engaging with such hands-on experiences is crucial for skill development and enhances marketability for job applications. Hands-on practice is further enriched through hacking labs and gamified experiences, including Capture the Flag, CTF events. These practical engagements are vital for comprehending real-world hacking scenarios and developing robust skills. The necessity of tailoring one's learning path based on both experience and available job opportunities is emphasized. Skipping phases in the educational journey can be advantageous for individuals who already possess the requisite knowledge. While pursuing an IT degree can be beneficial, it often necessitates additional certifications. Educational programs such as WGU effectively incorporate certifications into their curriculum, thereby offering a well-rounded educational experience. Although extensive experience is advantageous, it is not strictly required for success in cybersecurity roles. A fundamental understanding of networks and IP addresses can often suffice in these positions. Certifications like OSCP and CompTIA Plus significantly enhance career prospects within the realms of hacking and cybersecurity. They serve as crucial stepping stones for those aspiring to excel in these specialized fields. Finally, the relevance of a college degree in cybersecurity remains a subjective discussion. While it can certainly provide benefits, it is not a mandatory requirement, as many employers prioritize practical skills and competencies over formal educational credentials.